When checking the paint on a project, check with your eyes, not with your shoulder. I'll wipe that off. But here is project number 2 that I'm checking on today. This one is also in REO Town. This is a 4-unit I got. Got some crazy financing on this one. I got a partial seller finance carryback, partial private investor on this one. But I think it's going to cash flow a couple $1,000s when it's done. So it's a really good opportunity. Had a little bit of a risky buy though. So this one had a tenant in it that was not paying, that had a history of being violent. Then COVID hit and I could not evict that tenant, and things were a little sketchy for a little while. But he's out. Courts opened up, got him out of there. So things are looking better right now. Just got it painted. You can see here, blinds are up. Still needs to be deep cleaned. This is a 1-bedroom, separate electric meters. Had my handyman put in new door, ceiling fans, new closet lights, or closet doors there. I like the sliders, not the bifolds. Bifolds tend to break all the time. Then painting the cabinets, dark color, new floor in the bathroom. But yeah, so this one, upstairs are 3 units, or I'm sorry, upstairs are 3 bedrooms. Then the main floor is 1 bedroom. So I'm gonna get $650 for the 1 bedroom, $850 for the 3 bedroom. So what is that? $1,500 per side. So I think it's gonna bring in $3,000 total. I'm all in gonna be around $90,000 is what my purchase and renovation cost is, which is kind of crazy. But when it's all said and done, I think I'm going to be able to refinance and cash flow. Yeah, like I said, a couple thousand a month. So I had to go through some sticky situations with some tenants, still working on the final touches, but things are wrapping up here in REO Town project number 2. So more to come.